Welcome to a winter day in my artist's life, where cold mornings, warm studio moments, and creative rituals shape my world. Every order that leaves my studio starts here. I print my A6 print on A3 plus paper and cut them by hand. It makes the process slower, more intentional. There is something grounding about working with my hands, feeling the texture of the paper, aligning each cut perfectly. Some of these prints are extra special. They get hand embellished with gold details. It's my favorite part, a tiny moment of alchemy, bringing a soft glow to the artwork. It's something that makes each print feel a little more personal, like a quiet whisper of warmth from my hands to yours. Speaking of A6 print, this is the patron reward for March for my wild collector and wild adventurer tiers. And this month it comes with a little daisy sticker. Spots of these two tiers are limited, so if you'd like to receive this in the mail, now's the time to join. And for all my patrons, there's a full process video this month where I take you through every step of this illustration. For the gold details, I always use Jacquard Lumiere metallic acrylic paint in bright gold. It has the most beautiful shimmer, not too overpowering, just enough to catch the light. It's these small things that makes the work feel alive, like a little flicker of magic hiding in the details. There's something really special about sending art into the world, knowing that it's about to find a new home. Running a small art business means that every single order matters. I pack each one by myself, by hand, because I believe that this personal connection is what makes independent art so precious. If there's one thing I've learned over the years, it's this. Never underestimate the power of small, thoughtful details. Whether it's in the art itself, in how we package it, or even in how we share our journey, these little moments of care are what create meaning. I've been wanting to change my desk for a while. The all-wet tabletop was fine, but I found myself craving something warmer. Something that felt more grounded. Along with the new desk, I also got a few organizer. One for my sketchbooks, so I can keep them all in one place. And this little box for my pens. Oh, and of course, a new scent candle. I love painting with a candle burning nearby. It adds a kind of ritual to the process. I also realized something while doing this. I had so many supplies tucked away in a box that I never used. Out of sight, out of mind. So now I'm placing everything here, visible and easy to reach. Because the more accessible our tools are, the more we actually create. I hope you enjoyed this little look into my week, preparing prints, making small changes to my space, and sharing my new pattern rewards. Tell me, what would you like to see more of in these vlogs? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your thoughts. And if you'd like to go even deeper behind the scenes, join me on Patreon. I share exclusive process videos, prints and more. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more art and creative life videos. Until next time. Ciao!